My last video cut off at 15 minutes, and I probably only need 1 or 2 minutes more with you, but I don't want to pay for screencast-o-matic's pro version, so that's why it cuts off at 15 minutes. I'm sorry. So where we're last at is just getting this in-text citation. We chose death penalty as the title because we do an abbreviated title of this if we don't have the author's last name. So we do an end parenthesis and a period. Then you're going to add bibliography to doc. It should show up down here. It does. One thing that I wanted to make clear is these people didn't actually get executed. The Innocence Project reported 18 people on death row to later be found innocent and exonerated. Yeah, I should watch for that. And you should watch for that whenever you're re-explaining something. Just make sure that you're being factual. This is now going to get color-coded to be purple. And now we have our whole first paragraph, as well as what we're going to write about in each of our topic sentences. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of its formatting and put it in MLA format like this. In my next video, I'm going to go over how you go about getting evidence and analyzing each topic sentence, so watch for that. I'm not going to call it ABCDE Format Part 2. I'm probably going to call it something like using evidence and analysis. But what's going to happen is once all of this is filled out, your paragraphs will look like that. Then blah, blah, blah. Here's some evidence that will be in pink eventually, and then we would have analysis that'll eventually be in orange, etc. But just notice that there's no spacing between the paragraphs that's extra. All right, thanks for watching.